This was Nvidia in 1999, a company that had just launched its GeForce 256, a revolutionary graphic card that could change gaming forever. But the road wasn't always smooth. From competing against industry giants to facing volatile stock prices and even doubt about its future, Nvidia's journey has been a true roller coaster. I remember when Nvidia was just a name on my graphic card, empowering smooth gameplays and incredible visuals. But over the years, Nvidia has turned into a powerhouse, pushing technology forward and becoming essential to AI, while navigating all the tough challenges and market risks along the way. Yet, with rapid industry changes and growing competition, there are questions now about how long Nvidia's reign can last. Let's break down every aspect of this doubt in today's video. Nvidia was founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prime, with the primary vision to develop graphics processing units. The deeper goal was to push computing technology to new heights, but they also knew this wasn't an easy task when industry giants like Intel and AMD were dominating the market. Intel was already a leader in CPUs, powering the majority of personal computers worldwide, and AMD had established itself as a serious competitor in graphics technology. Nvidia, on the other hand, was barely starting, without any brand recognition or financial backing to pose a real threat. In such a crowded and rapidly evolving market, gaining a foothold seemed almost impossible. Their early products weren't much impressive, and there were skeptics doubting that the company wouldn't survive. But Jensen Huang had a firm determination of developing GPUs. Yet for years, Nvidia stayed under radar, and this vision stayed out of reach. The breakthrough came in 1999 when Nvidia launched GeForce 256. This graphic card was the beginning of Nvidia's era. Nvidia started making headlines. Gamers had good reviews using this graphic card, and a competitive edge was seen in Nvidia for the first time. The accomplishments did not end here, as many were in 2000, from getting awarded Microprocessor Report Analyst Choice Award to launching 6 new GPUs and to be chosen as GPU for Microsoft gaming console Xbox. The 21st century couldn't have started much better for Nvidia. But how could their rivals let that happen? AMD challenged Nvidia and launched Radeon 7000 series, and other GPUs brought support for DirectX 8.1 and DirectX 9. Nvidia also received subpoenas from US Department of Justice regarding antitrust violation in the graphics card industry. During that period, Nvidia was extremely under pressure and had to provide something revolutionary in order to be in par with their rivals Intel and AMD. This was the time when Nvidia took a genius move, and that move destroyed its competition. In 2006, Nvidia invested in AI chips. They were investing in AI at the time when no one even knew a little about AI. This was one of the most remarkable business pivots in history. It came with the realization that Nvidia's GPU were not as good for gaming as they were for AI. On-board member Mark Stevens explained the thought process by saying, "We felt we were always going to be boxed into PC gaming market and always knocking head with Intel if we didn't develop a brand new market that nobody else was in." In the same year, Nvidia introduced CUDA programming model alongside its Tesla GPUs. CUDA was revolutionary because it made GPU programming accessible to a wider range of audience. CUDA transformed Nvidia from a gaming hardware company to a central player in computing. Forbes named Nvidia its Company of Year for 2007. In 2011, Nvidia signed a 6-year, $1.5 billion cross-licensing agreement with Intel. In February 2013, Nvidia announced its plan to build a new headquarters in the form of two giant triangle-shaped buildings on the other side of St. Thomas Expressway. Today, Nvidia has a market value of 3.36 trillion USD, which is truly unbelievable. Nvidia has put its rivals under immense pressure. However, the company is also facing significant challenges. Trade tensions and export restrictions threaten Nvidia's access to key markets like China, impacting their ability to sell high performance chips abroad. Additionally, tech giants are developing custom AI chips, further intensifying the competition and putting Nvidia under constant pressure to innovate. Jensen Huang, the pioneer behind this revolution, is determined to tackle these challenges head on. Yet, the future remains unpredictable. As the saying goes, the higher you climb, the colder it gets. Nvidia will either continue its dominance or face another steep drop in this seesaw story. Don't forget to share what you have learned from Nvidia's story in the comments. And by the way, there's another tech giant that's even more successful than Nvidia. To find out who it is, click on the video on your screen. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you stories like this. Thank you.